Dr. Joe Shirimani vokusele la vanhu lava i 4 yavo ya vulavula hi 2 yavo ntsena van'wana va hleta ku na mina ni wela kona kwalaya. We'll deal with that later. Dr. Joe va humesa single ya Bambara a va humesela ku pfala Nomonde Roger as other people will call it a strategic move. We'll deal with that.
Wena loko yi mandleleni ya mina pho Bill Bini insonto sa psychology ako bote Bill bote ulon kwateza wena sana nokukorisele nikwatselo wena akuna munhu wa ku twisisa ku fana na Joe Shirimani wena mfana mina wa ku byongo lebyi bya byi tala dlu nkarhi wun'wana ni xikolo se yi fata lexi ya ni vitana xikoxa wa ni tolovela mfana leti ta ku baya mpama wela le kule le to ta psychology bote Bill bote Bill ya Bill la kalanga Bill ya mavala vanhu va loyiwa ngopfu masiku lama ene va ta ku yini la ku mi byela xin'wana na vafana va mina loyi a nga ta zama ku va ni tolovela ne let me tell you something lexi nga ta zama xi ku xi tolovela mina hi lava vanhu va nga ta vulavula va ku munhu u cinciwa hi vanhu va tlhela va ku phika va ku hayi Joe u xevile ke li xevile loko reta na ba ku na n'wana n'wi veki la loko a reta pho
Vakhandle Group lowu i ntlawa lowu nga ku heleketaka evuhuseleni bya wena hi ndlela yo hlawuleka. U nga ha tlhela u vuyeriwa wa ha ri kwala emisaveni. Swiyenge swa Vakhandle Group swi katsa leswi: muganga basic laha u chayelaka hi ntsengo wo sukela ka 110 rand, u kuma tende 100 wa switulu, mobile toilet, basic sound system, tihunyi na 5000 rand. Muganga premium u chayela hi ntsengo wo sukela ka 130 leyi ku nyikaka 10000 rand. Muganga super premium ya ku nyika 15000 rand yi tlhela ku nyika vanhu va ntlhanu vo pfuna loko u joyina hi mali yo sukela ka 150 rand ntsena. Muganga cash only benefit u joyina hi mali yo sukela ka 110 rand loko u ri xirho u nga engetela 50 rand ntsena. U joyina muganga unveiling benefit vuxokoxoko byi le ka 064 755 5674 kasi eka website hi vakhandlegroup.co.za. rhumela rungula eka info@vakhandlegroup.co.za. Vakhandle Group, we are family.
Yeah, Jaimito, mfana wa le Mozambique, mai baba jaru kula impacha tanuna xitivi. Yivane mi amukela ka the channel that matters. The channel that matters the most. Akahambu kwata aren alola when I want 2K. Walava. Awlavi. Yawen. It is a pow. Yawen. Yumanimi amukelaka. The only channel that matters to watch. Yeah. Dr. Joe. Wow, Mr. Singilia Bambara, quality stuff like released by so many people. Genius, well experienced when it comes to music, so they know what they're doing. Who are family. So genius story and line. So whenever posts work certified hit, as well certified hit, let's have all out pushing narrative hit. So hit determine hi mass hi vanhu hi group leswaku twa u feel nga ku we hit studio twa ku nani hit yi nga va hit studio fika yi va the opposite. So we should wait for the masses to decide. We shouldn't wait for Dr. Joe's fans to tell us we hit. We shouldn't wait for Mr. Post's fans to tell us that's rubbish, because these are two bias grouping. So let's wait and see what the masses say. We'll see locally at the gig how people receive the song, but also when it's played on the streets and the attention it gets on the ground. So that's number one. And kuna vanhu vo tala va believe ku Dr. Joe loko yi humesa single liya a yi humesela ku pfala Nomonde Roger. And I want to mention someone's name who's Prof Swat. He's a very good friend of mine, so he always engages me on issues, be it politically or music song and stuff. So why would Dr. Joe or GNU would want to stop Nomonde Roger? Like, they give me a proper reason. Like Dr. Joe, let's say if utangarika GNU R1 as a lot of stop on, like, what is a competition ya Nomonde Roger na Dr. Joe like Makobele yini byala mina wena. Like Nomonde Roger can go to the best quality studio loko staka Vatsonga angipfuka pfale, like she will never go anywhere closer in closing Dr. Joe. Like she's very far from that. And naku I mean anhlekithi ku niloko atlele Nomonde Roger wa swihleketa ku one day I must close down Dr. Joe or something like. It's far. She can't do that. Remember, remember, Nomonde Roger is not an artist. It's a vocalist. She's not a creator. Let me put it that way. She's a singer. She's a beautiful voice. She's a perfectionist. She can add there and there, but the greatest thing that you can take away from her is a beautiful voice. So I once said it in Cynthia Mafenyaka in an interview, and then but she did confirm it in my interview with her. She's just a good singer. She doesn't write songs. So someone who doesn't write songs, who's just a singer, like she can go to church and sing there. Dr. Joe, like, let's be honest. And Dr. Joe would want to degenerate to a point where Nomonde. Mara, I take away your views in Nomonde Roger and Mr. Post in most cases. Mantusis. And in this project, she's alone. I'm gonna miss the post. And she has been far away from the music now. We are music. Hashem say she's up and coming now. So that argument, let's pack it. In my view, the single was not released for that. I still believe they wanted to get the ground running. To kubanyakazanyana. And this is Tankomela for that. So we're done with that one. Singili angala kupala Nomonde Roger. Nomonde Roger can't compete with Dr. Joe's. It's a totally different thing. They may share the market, but she can't lose. Like, for me, that argument doesn't hold water. You may have a different view. That's fine. We're human beings, most. I didn't know. I made him done a different view. That's why I'm banker was. Yeah. Dr. Joe. But vela sa khuru jugo ulon kwatisa wena mfana. Kana ngoma yin'wana yekuni pain. Yasa khuru. Abakhota yona ka live le. Chakusungula xifana ku xiteka from there. Chakusungula xona with the greatest respect. Dr. Joe abadakwini. Like about between you can tell with happiness. Dr. Joe, normally is just that guy who's humble, relaxed, calm, trying to be collected, trying to avoid saying things that you wouldn't say under normal. There I twinyan. So usually na but me look akwatini, or if he has to say something, I know someone even who I am now. When he wants to speak his mind, he firstly has to get a plug. So I don't know kuba kuma motivation enjani ka byala vanhu lava. So loko languta Dr. Joe la I between. That's why he had the courage to just be playful. Like that's why he was very playful in that live. But he was just promoting his song as well, and the marketing of the song was so nice. But and also you can't take away the way he captures Benny Mayangani's movements in the studio. So that's how, look what's hamana munhu loyi aku inspire ne minkarhi yin'wana loko uri weak nyana wa ku tikuma u vulavula ku fana na you do things as they are, or you like the way they move. Like look at how in that live, if you watch that live later, the last 24 minutes live, you look at how Dr. Joe demonstrated how Benny Mayengani was moving. Look at Bambara, ibe ataka mata, koma mata. You saw it even on the clips. Like, so he captured that whole movement. It was like, this like he captured that movement. To him, it's like so inspirational. Like that's pretty some karung one that hlangana vanhu lava ku inspire. Problem ngom tshama na swidakwa every day swa swi nga pfuni nchumu swa mali leswi standing. Dr. Joe i tshembisa i ri kwate psychology. Hi ku ya mina swi fair. He has to be angry, especially with some psychologists amafamba ivi akwata ku na vanhu van'wana va buka va vona ntsena ya nga bukiwi blah blah blah, and he spoke shit about Dr. Joe, and then he went back and the Germany, and then we got recruited by Mr. Post, and then started dissing Dr. Joe. Marito on live, not in musical. I don't think he dissed him. Nangudurana Shkoshani, I think Laka Shkoshani Chivich Pambil psychological Dr. Joe, because he says new kurisa when on quite scene. And when we say Joy Lungin, that's when I took Salila. One Wekela. And the only person who angavekwala lo angathama ani issue the legal suits threats. So yalwe Mr. Post lo ngo Mr. Post lo oreta jibini, and swilo leswi ingaso vula mhaka ku hihleketa mhaka yi dakwini, mara swilo leswi nga le mihleketweni ya yona ngwenya ku loko o tshiki o yi nyanyukela yi bim. Leswi swi ta as a form of being tired of being bullied by kids, being found guilty on so many things while the court of law, being disrespected by the people that you groomed. Swa baba leswi swa ku u byala muti wa mutini u tlhe u jika u tlhava wena wabo. So it's like, why ani mgruma so ku mi ta ndla leswi na wabo. And vanhu lava ka ku a va se tshama va n'wi jikela Dr. Joe, fana vo Mafamba, maybe vo Dlanyo, i vanhu lava a va se tshama va va ka on the spotlight. So na vona hi nge va vuli ku they are the loyalist. No, like Dr. Joe, the only person he can trust is Theron, lower rap on way and his kids. But those ones, even when they're on the spotlight or not, they've never been on the highest spotlight, if I may say so. They will always be on his side. The rest, you shouldn't trust them normally. But to provoke Mr. Post in that way, Mr. Post angitoko na ye imunhu un'wana wa ku ina ximbilwani a ngo tala ngoma just to see what is he going to do. My challenge to Mr. Post, are you scared of Dr. Joe? Loko tshami no ya hleketa Dr. Joe banga ku ba wena na, if va vola wena va ri va ku bekela vafana la. And nga ri ka live liya ya Dr. Joe va ri na yona ne xi xa nkoka lexi a xi ri laha leswi hinkwaswo swa ku tlangela xa nkoka laha nga fika va ku hi laha va nga fika va ku maye va streama swilo leswi fate va ku ya hiko laha ku ri ka nkoka ngopfu laha hi swo swa nkoka, like ka live liya ku ri swo swa nkoka leswi hinkwaswo vo ti tlangela. The whole purpose of that live ya Dr. Joe a ku ri wa lava a wu lavi i ta swi ku ya wena